Painting pet portraits is an awesome skill that you can use for painting your own cat or dog, or paint a friend's pet, or even earn by doing the commissions. My name is Alexandrina and I invite you to paint this amazing creature with me. In this class you will learn how to paint a white cat, gradually building up the color, and how to create an artistic texture for the background with an ordinary salt. You'll need just 4 watercolors and white gouache. Use watercolor paper 300 grams or 140 pounds. This is the most important art supply worth investing. For the class project, you will create a cat portrait on a blue background. Are you ready to create your masterpiece? Let's begin!